What's up, YouTube? It's Matthew here once again with another video, and in today's video we'll be discussing the third part of this series on how to scale your Facebook ads for your print-on-demand or dropshipping business with Shopify. Now, before we go on, be sure to subscribe, comment down below, and like this video. As you all can see, I have my handy mic over here, and yeah, so I hope that won't be a big distraction. So on the previous days, we talked about research, testing, and now we're on scaling. So when you're scaling your ads, you have to take into account how much you want to spend per day and just basically how much money you have. I usually recommend running an ad set for $10 a day. So that's step number one. So $10 a day for 1 to 2 days. Now, if you get a sale during this time, then you would duplicate the ad set. So if you get a sale, duplicate. If not, cut the ad, try a different ad set, and if you tried different ad sets before, it's probably the product, and the product is not good anymore. So if you get a sale, duplicate. Now, I always recommend people duplicating their ad set and not messing with an ad set that they already have. I don't know. I just saw with me, I usually get more success with duplicating as opposed to editing a current ad set that is already running. And so that's what I'm teaching you all. So duplicate your ad set. So when you get that, when you get a sale with the $10 a day, you duplicate it again. So when you duplicate, always double the amount. So when duplicate, double ad spend. So you need to double the ad spend. So next day you will be spending $20 as opposed to $10. And then from there, you go for 40, and then from 40, 80, 160, 320. All right, so you all know that. And then if a daily budget is not working, try a lifetime budget approach. So I don't know if you're familiar with the Facebook platform, but you can run it like a lifetime budget where you set aside, let's say, $100, so it can be spent over 2 days. And so what Facebook will do, they will use that $100 and they'll spend it within 2 days. So usually you're going to spend around $50 a day. And so, you know, I have found a few success with that. If daily budget is not working, I just try a lifetime budget, and it started working, maybe because they know how much they need to spend a day, and so they're more targeted with their targeting. I'm not sure. So that's another approach. And then that's if you get a sale with lifetime budget, you keep on doubling it. So next time, but you keep the amount of days. So usually you run like a lifetime budget for like a week, so 7 days, and let's say you're running it for $350. So that's $50 a day for 7 days. And then next time you'll keep the same amount of days. So keep it at 7 days, but you'll double the ad spend to $700. So you're spending $100 a day, and then $1,400 a day, and so on. And so that's how I usually scale my ads. If I get a sale, I duplicate the ad set and I double the ad spend. I duplicate the ad spend and I double the ad spend. So, and then if an ad set is just not working, not getting sales, it's either the product is not trending, it's not selling, or the targeting that you're using is just not working. It's not targeting the right people. And so make sure you look up, you know, how to target well. And so I'm going to go with that. I'm going to, if you looked at my other previous videos, I showed different methods up here on what you can target, different ad sets that you can use. And then you start scaling once you have that sale. Now, I hope you all enjoyed this mini 3-part series on how to get sales for your website and how to run a profitable business, because scaling and running Facebook ads is so key, especially when you just want to start making profit. Now, I hope you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe, comment down below, and like this video. All right, peace.